Hey guys, I'm Israr, and in this video you will be seeing the unboxing of the latest OnePlus earbuds. OnePlus launched its first TWS in the market recently in India, and they look quite promising. So there are three versions available in the website: the white, the grey, and blue version. Honestly, I like the grey version because it gives a black finish, but then I couldn't get it because of some reason. I only white and blue was available. I also got a warp charger for myself to see how quickly it charges my OnePlus earbuds. So let's go through the contents of this box quickly. Meanwhile, let's talk about the battery life. They say that it supports about 30 hours of charge usage, and each earbud supports 7 hours, up to 7 hours of usage. And this casing does not have any wireless charging feature. It supports USB-C charging. So playtime, they have told us about 4 hours for a phone call and 7 hours for a playback. It looks pretty fancy. So we have this white casing here, which resembles that of Pixel Buds, and I think we have some menus over here, very well packed. So I got this this package within 2 days after ordering it. It's like quite good logistics provided by OnePlus. And we can see a USB-C cable over here and few manuals which we will not be using in this video. So let's just check how how it works, how the pairing works. So the build looks pretty good. I mean, it doesn't look cheap quality. It gives a good click when you close it. I mean, it doesn't look loose. And there's a button behind the case and the light indication in the front, which shows whether the case is charging or pairing or completely charged. So it also supports magnetic docking, which means that your earbuds will not fall when you tilt it upside down. Yep. So overall they look pretty good, pretty fancy. Here I have a OnePlus 6 device. I do not have any update for AirPods. OnePlus has recently launched an OTA update for OnePlus 6 and for the devices. I have not installed any update yet, but then in general, if I try to pair it gives a notification as soon as I open the case, and it's automatically pairing. I did not have to go to Bluetooth and add it manually, so that's pretty good from their side. So I think my earbuds are connected to my phone. So let's check the settings of this earbuds on my mobile. So if you pull the notification, you can see the battery indication for every earbud and the case. So these are not all. We can also see extra options in the settings. If you go to Bluetooth option in your mobile app settings, so here you can see extra details, extra features where you can control your earbud properly. You need to have an update for checking these features. Here we have an interesting feature where you can trace your earbud, like it gives a chime when you click on left and right individually. So if it's somewhere close by, you can hear a small faded volume coming and you can locate it easily. Also, we have double clicking configuration for the earbud, individual earbud, the left and the right. So if you click on, so we can select what kind of action you want, voice assistant or previous or next track or play pause. Honestly, I don't want to configure a play pause because if I remove each earbud, it will stop playing. It will pause the soundtrack, so which is pretty good. And you can see auto update firmware options here. You can see some descriptions given how to use the buttons of OnePlus. Unfortunately, these features are only available for OnePlus phones, and you can also control your OnePlus earphones using third-party softwares for other phones. But however, your phone has to support these features with latest updates. Please check your versions and see if earbud support has already been rolled out for that update you have installed. So also I observed one small problem in OnePlus 6. When I was connected to the earbuds, I could not go and set up my audio tuner. I would usually increase or manipulate the equalizer, but I couldn't get the privilege to change the settings of audio tuner. I think OnePlus should look into that. Also, here's a closer look to the earbud. So you can see the shiny touch control of the OnePlus earbud. It's pretty nice. And I also tried to move away from my mobile for about 10 meters, and the connectivity was pretty good. The music was not getting disturbed due to distance. So let's talk about the overall review. The quality of music was very nice. I could feel the bass of the music, and it was significant. Also, the call quality was pretty nice because I took a few feedbacks from an opposite person when I called them, and they said that the environmental cancellation was pretty nice. They could not hear much disturbance from the surrounding environment. Also, I found the build pretty durable and it looked premium. The design of each earbud also is pretty nice. It did not fall from my ear. Also, it depends on person to person, but then there's always room for improvement. OnePlus can bring up the silicone earbuds in the next version. Also, they have to look into the software updates where they can allow us to tune the equalizer in the future. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this video informative.